Hey everyone, how's it going? So I just reached Singapore last night. I reached the hostel pretty late at around 11 in the night. It's 9 in the morning now, and let's explore the different parts of Singapore. And I haven't been here before. This is my first time. I'm going to be here for around 4 days, and I haven't really planned much, but today is just going to be a simple explore, look around, get the right vibe of the city, and let's see what are the different things that Singapore has to offer. So right now I'm actually going towards the metro station to collect my 3-day pass. I think it costs about $30 for 3 days, and during that time you can cover pretty much any part of Singapore through the bus or the metro. So I'll show you where you can get the tourist pass for 3 days. I think it's at any metro station. So right now I'm actually on Lavender Street and I'm going towards the Lavender metro station to collect my 3-day pass. So guys, I'm actually not used to this, where the cars actually wait for you and then you need to wait for the signal to cross the road. So you can see over there's the red signal. There's the red signal and I need to wait so that I can cross the street. I'm just not used to this. So now the signal is green and now I can cross the road. So just crossed the road successfully. So I just got my travel pass for 3 days. It's a tourist travel pass that you can buy at any MRT station, and it'll be provided you for $30, and in that $10 is refundable. So when you return the card, you'll get that $10 back. And here's the card. This is what the card looks like. Yeah, this is what the card looks like. And if you just want to buy a single pass, then it'll be about 10 Singapore dollars. Now I'm going to go towards downtown and maybe see the Marina Bay. So I'm currently at the Buggy station and I'm going towards the Bayfront. So I think the trains is going to come in sometime now. That's Bayfront, and that's where the Marina Bay is, and it's called the Downtown Line. And that's how you successfully use the metro station in Singapore. I just got off the metro station, and guess what? There's a floating thing inside the metro station. Check this out. So the next stop is Marina Bay. As all of us know that Singapore is not a very big country, as in the area wise it's not a very big country. So the theme for today will be like, let's explore how much ever you can the whole of Singapore without actually planning anything. So let's see then how many places can you really explore in Singapore in a single day without really planning anything, and just buying a tourist travel pass that you can use the metro and the bus services. And let's see how many places in Singapore can you really explore. So let's go and let's have some fun today. I'm still at the Marina Bay Sands. Let's go see the artistic museum. So the museum was pretty boring, I think, so that's why I didn't go see it. It was all family related and kids related stuff. Now we're going to level 4, and there's supposed to be a free movie going on there. So the free show is actually just a movie. The name of the movie is Up, and it's a kids movie. So I'll show you where the free show is. I just saw it. I'll just show you guys again, and it's just a kids movie that's going on. So yeah. Hey everyone, so I'm top of the bridge right now in Marina Bay Sands. Looks interesting. So I just finished half the circle of Marina Bay. The big wheel, I didn't do it. I was not really interested in the touristy stuff. But yeah, it was nice to see it, and I'm done with half the bay, and let's go see and finish half the circle which is left. And I must say it's pretty hot, so wear your sunscreen, get your cap, get your shades, need all of them. It's pretty hot. It's around 30 degrees. It's not unbearable, but yeah, since it's 12 in the afternoon, so it's pretty hot. Yeah. So I just talked to the gentleman behind, and one day I want to be as cool as him This guy is just crazy. He's just making people happy. Just making people happy.
Have a good time. Welcome Singapore.
So I'm actually at the lion thing that I was talking about earlier, and this might be the most crowded place in Singapore. So try coming here in the morning maybe. Yeah, it's so crowded. It's really, really crowded. So I was going to the metro station, but I think I have reached some luxurious place. Let's explore this place then. It was the wrong place. I was to go to the metro station, but I reached a hotel by mistake. Yeah, so that was the wrong place. I reached a hotel by mistake, and let's go to Chinatown now. Hopefully we will reach. So looks like we were in the wrong place. That was actually the hotel and not the subway. Weird enough. But yeah, we got to see those cars there though. I was just walking through the streets and I found this free Singapore tour. I don't think it's free, but I don't know, I'm just hanging out with those people and it's pretty chill. So for next couple of maybe minutes or maybe an hour, I'll be with them and chilling. So let's see what happens.
I'm trying to superimpose it on the Singapore River, you see. So now that back to the colonial side of the Singapore, you see a lot of convents, a lot of schools, a lot of churches, right, set up by these missionaries. Over here, we have a Southern Chinese and a Malay merchant tradesman. So a lot of immigrants came in from Southern China and the surrounding Malay states of present-day Malaysia and Indonesia. And if we head over to the back of the sculpture, here, this figure here on the card shows you represents a South Indian man, South Indian manual laborer. But a lot of immigrants also came in from the southern half of India. So all this activity you see happening here over the past 200 years is still being reflected in modern day Singapore today. Among our permanent residents and citizens, we are ethnically, right, ethnic breakdown. We are around 75% Chinese. I myself am ethnically Chinese. That is my ancestors came from southern China. We are around 14%, 14% Malay, and around 9% Indian.
Reached the oldest temple in Singapore, and you can see it looks so beautiful. And so I'm still in the tour that I found while walking in Singapore, and we've seen amazing places, different places. And this is one of them. This is on the way to Singapore and looks beautiful. It's right behind me.
40. $40 a month? It's so cheap. And he was like, no, boy, it's $40 a year. I was like, hey, how come you really the system? $40 what is it for? He said it's actually to register his business. Okay. Bye. I think the most interesting element is the moon, because Singapore is the only non-Muslim majority state to have a crescent moon on the flag. This is coconut, so it's actually desiccated coconut coated in house sugar. Right, so just inside this one here. Okay, this is actually prawn, so it's a prawn pancake sort of, right? But yeah, very often it goes with carrot cake. So this is carrot cake. There's no carrot and it's not a cake, but official name is carrot cake.
It looks like egg.
Is it an omelet? So I just finished the quick street food that they have over here. You can see that is one of the best, and also one of the restaurants that we got the food from was actually a Michelin star restaurant. that Gordon Ramsay lost from, and it was one of the best food experiences in Singapore yet.
I have given you a sneak peek into the hidden side of Singapore that you might not otherwise have had a chance to get to know.
Hey everyone, so that just shows you that once you just try to explore the city, you find things that are just unimaginable, like this rooftop that I'm at. I would never know about this place. Only way I got to know about this place is while I was walking. I met the group and I met the amazing guy who showed us this hidden gems of Singapore. That's Singapore in a day!
Alright.
My name is Anmol, and if you like this video then please share it with your best friends and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.